Here you can see the before and after pictures of how our garden looked. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content on how to get your garden or anywhere else in your house looking fantastic. We was dealing with an absolute jungle, so all this ground had to be prepared before we even started the project. Once all the bushes and the rubbish was removed off the garden, we was left with 2 tons of shingle that also needed to be taken away. This was all bagged up and then we was left with an uneven surface. So stage 2 is a very important part of the process, especially if you have uneven ground. The whole ground had to be dug up and turned over and levelled up before we go on to stage 3. Oh, by the way, while the boys was digging up the garden, I took it upon myself to go and paint the shed. Look, ladies and gents, not every project goes to plan, and this is where I really failed. I went to my mum's house and acquired some seeds, and I didn't know what season they was bought in. I chucked them all down on the ground. I chucked some natural lawn feed down as well, and I watered it consistently day and night for 10 days, and these pictures show that actually there was no progress. But stick with me because I will show you how I educated myself on seeds and how we got that beautiful lawn that you saw at the start of this video. This is a gardening project that's going on in London today. So we have prepared the soil by keeping it moist obviously for the last couple of weeks, and we've raked out all of the stone that was in this soil. So I've got pictures and videos that I can attach to this video to show you what the state of this garden looked like. All the weeds have been removed and a lawn fertilizer has been put down. Now we are using these grass lawn seeds. This is a 5 kilo bag. As you can see, so far there's quite a lot of coverage over the garden at the moment. So we're just putting down the seeds now, and we've got quite a few bags. We've got quite a few bags of topsoil to also put on top to make sure that it is 100%. So we will get back to you very soon. After putting the seeds down, as you can see, it's well seeded. We are now putting the topsoil on the top to cover all the seeds. We are doing this by using a wheelbarrow, but you don't have to use a wheelbarrow. So you know where your marker is. And we are, as you can see, they are shoveling the soil out of the wheelbarrow.
Sorry guys, I have to steal some of that soil, yeah?
And using their hand to cover the seeds.
Serious, no?
So as you can see, this is happening right now. Once the whole garden is done, we will then
cover the seeds. Look, look. Can you see where you can?
You see, I don't need that for.
No, I can see. You can see through.
We have a project manager in the background. So yeah, getting some good coverage. In terms of the topsoil, we are using. Let me just find the bag.
Right there, Casey, where your foot is. Where your foot is.
Let me go into our shed. Let me show you. We are using the Verve topsoil. And we have got 8 25-litre bags that we are going to use to cover the garden.
Cover. Go lower, that's lower.
So I will touch base with you guys once it is all covered. As you can see, all the topsoil has been laid. The majority of the seeds are covered. Just to put it into perspective, this garden took 7 25-litre bags of topsoil just to cover the top. It has been lightly sprinkled with water, just following the instructions on the back of the bag, and we will monitor the progress. So yeah, we will get back to you guys soon. Okay, so day 8 of the garden DIY lay your own lawn. As you can see, we've got a green mist coming up across the garden. So it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, so I'm just about to water it. So in terms of the time on the box, on the bags, sorry, what said 7 to 10 days, we are well en route, but you can see it. It is so clear. There's so much green. It's amazing. So I will be back with another video soon. So here we have the McAllister 38cm 1600 watt electric lawnmower. This is what we're going to be using to cut the grass for its first cut. We purchased this from B&Q. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of the box just to let you know what's inside. So if the instructions are easy to get to, I'll try and pull them out. If they're not, then we'll come back to you with the finished product.
Well, you have to put the whole thing on or couple of buttons.
So here we have, this looks like the user guide that comes inside the box, and it says here, read the instructions before using the product. So here we have the finished product. So the McAllister, it is the 1600 watt, 38 centimeters.
I think you mean McAllister.
McAllister, that's the one. Thanks, cameraman. It has an adjustable, height adjustable lever, so you just change these settings just like this and set it to what you want to set it at. It didn't take that long to put together, around 10 minutes, and the instructions was very easy to follow. Okay, so this is our grass at the 6-week stage. So we're literally going to be giving it its first cut using the McAllister 38cm high electric lawnmower 1600 watts. We will get back to you with how the grass comes out. This is now the freshly cut grass. It looks amazing and it is pet friendly.